DJ's Preston Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Golf GTD. It's in superb condition. You can see it's got the front park distance control, absolutely immaculate, unmarked, diamond cut alloy wheels, privacy glass to the rear park distance control, twin exhausts, absolutely stunning. Boot area's in lovely condition. Electric windows, electric mirrors, no wear on the bolster, all in lovely condition. Some 102, 136 miles, cruise control, adaptive cruise control, sorry there, multifunction steering wheel, auto headlights. Start the car up. 6-speed gearbox, 2 keys, heated seats, 3 stages, flat bottomed leather steering wheel as well. Navigation, just loading it up. Centre armrest, really is in lovely condition. Doesn't look like the mileage at all. Sat nav, phone, Bluetooth, media, full menu, different driving modes, Parktronic, air conditioning, climate control. So, at DJH, or full dealer facilities, including finance, warranty and part exchange. If you require any further information, please give us a call on 07503 751 005. Thank you.